In today's episode, bumisita ang team sa Mapua Malayan College, Laguna at nakausap namin ang Dean of the College of Health Sciences at Dean of the College of Nursing. Ibinahagi nila kung paano inihahanda ang kanilang mga future nurses and healthcare professionals to respond to emerging health crisis in the country gamit ang innovative, globally aligned at evidence-based approach. Para saan ito? Paano?
Okay, actually, ito po yung tinatawag na si Nursing Arts Laboratory. Dito po namin kinakonduct yung mga laboratory and return demonstrations before ang mga estudyante ay dalhin po sa hospital or sa community setting. So dito sila nagpa-practice. And each student po would experience muna with our simulators before po sila ma-expose actual patient. So para sure po na pagdating nila doon sa actual scenario na nag-handle na sila ng pasyente, meron na silang sapat na skills na na-practice nila inside this classroom.
Yung kanina po nabanggit ninyo yung ASU.
Yes.
Paano yung collaboration ng College of Nursing dito sa Malayan and ASU?
Ang advantage po namin from other schools, since we are collaborating with ASU, is that we have yung education nila, yun din po yung pattern ng education natin dito. So we can say that we are globally competitive. Kasi yung education na binimeasure or framework nila, yun po yung ginagamit natin dito. Pero, at the same time po, yung ating ginagamit dito sa Pilipinas, we are still aligned with that. So, dalawa yung pinag-babasihan natin, ASU, and yun pong parameter na ginagamit natin panukat dito sa Pilipinas. Actually po ngayon, talagang baby pa ang nursing dito po sa Mapua MCL. Second year pa lang po kasi yung estudyante namin. No? Pero from there, nakikita na natin po yung talagang very enthusiastic sila sa profession nila. And they want to be part ng healing process ng kanilang mga pasyente in the future. Actually, they're very excited. Ano po? And we make sure na before nga sila lumabas sa school na to, they are prepared.
Paano hindi niya nakikita? Ganun din po ba sa inyo? Hindi, mas marami pa rin ang mga kabataan na gustong mag-take off ng
yes, after the pandemic po kasi, ang nangyari, nakita nila na importante ang healthcare. Particularly, I'm speaking as a nurse. Ano po. Nakita nila doon, kailangan natin ng nurses. And globally speaking po, there is a shortage for nursing. Dito sa Pilipinas, maging sa ibang bansa. Kulang na kulang po ang nursing. And yun po ang reason kung bakit patuloy na maraming nag-enroll and who want to be part of the profession. Nakita nila yung need. Importante pala na marunong ako mag-alaga ng pasyente, lalo na after the pandemic po. Here in Mapua MCL, you are prepared, digitally enhanced ang ating education, and you are prepared globally to be part of the nursing profession.